Hello everyone, my name is Gian Alvarez from BSCS2A, and in this video, I will demonstrate my Python program that implements a list abstract data type using linked list. This program allows us to insert, delete, search, and display elements in a dynamic list. So let's begin. First of all, I will run this Python file. As you can see, the menu is displayed with 10 options. So now, let's try choice 1, insert at start. I will enter the number 10, and it will print a text saying the program confirms 10 inserted at start. Now, let's try choice 2, insert at end. I will enter 20. Then it will print a text saying the program confirms 20 inserted at end. Next, choice 3, insert at position. I will insert the number 15 at position 2. Then the program confirms 15 inserted at position 2. To check our current list, I'll choose 10, display list. It shows 10, 15, 20. Now, let's try deletion. Choice 4, delete at start removes the first element. It confirms 10 deleted at start. Next, choice 5, delete at end removes the last element. It confirms 20 deleted at end. For choice 6, delete at position, I will enter position 1. Then it confirms 15 deleted at position 1. Now, let's try choice 7, delete number. I will try deleting the number 30. The program says 30 is not on the list and cannot be deleted. Then I'll insert 25 and delete it again. And it confirms 25 has been successfully deleted. Then if I will see the display list, it will be empty now. And now, let's try choice 8, search number. If I search for 10, the program says value is not found. So if I insert 50 and search for it, the program says value is found at position 1. Now, let's try choice 9, display number at position. If I enter position 1, the program shows number at position 1 is 50. I will use 10 display list again to confirm the contents of the list. Finally, I will choose 0, exit. The program asks for confirmation, and when I type Y, it ends with the message, "Thank you." This concludes my demonstration of the linked list ADT program in Python. Thank you for watching, and again, this is Ian Alvarez from BSCS2A.